Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 6 Introduction to HTML question and answer. Answer are the following. Question number first, what is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. In short form, HTML is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. HTML describes the structure of a web page. Means full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language for document designed to display in a web browser. Through this HTML, you create a web page and web page run on a web browser. So it means simply HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used to design a web page of a website. Question number 2. What do you understand by tags? How many types are there? Question is, what do you understand by tags? A tag is said to be a paired tag if the tag is placed between a tag and its companion tag. There are two types of tag, container tag and empty tag. Here second question, how many types are there? So there are two types of tags, container tag and empty tag. Means question here, what do you understand by tag? A tag is said to be a paired tag if the text is placed between a tag. For understand here, when you are write on this angle bracket, write here anything like BR or used for page break. This is called the tag. Means when you are write through this angle bracket is called tag. Question number 3. Which attributes or body tags are used to set margin in a web page? Question is that which attributes or body tags are used to set margin in a web page? Answer is the top margin and left margin attributes or body tag are used to set margin in a web page. So here top margin and left margin attributes of body tag are used to set margin in a web page. Question number 4. What do you understand by attributes in HTML? What do you understand by attributes in HTML? Answer is, an attribute is a characteristic of a page element such as font, size, or color. Attributes are used to amplify a tag when a web browser interprets an HTML tag. It will also look for its attributes so that it can display the web page's elements properly. Means HTML attributes is a characteristic of a page element such as, for example, font, size, color, background color. All attributes are used to amplify a tag. Means these attributes used in the form of tag. When a web browser interprets an HTML tag, it also looks for its attributes so that it can display on a web page. Question number 5. Differentiate between container tag and empty tag. Container tag consists of opening tag and closing tag, while empty tag is tag without content and a closing tag. Like if we want to insert an image या line break या horizontal line, we use tag img, tag br, tag hr. tags respectively, but not a closing here. But container tag like body and body close. It means a container tag consists of opening and closing tags like here opening and here closing. But empty tag only opening tag like image, we are not a break here. So these are the difference between container tag and empty tag. Question number 6. Explain the paragraph tag and its attributes. The paragraph tag are used to define a block of text as a paragraph. This HTML element is one of the basic HTML tags you should learn to use properly. Explain the paragraph tags. Paragraph tags are used to define a block of text as a paragraph. Even you write a line within a paragraph tag, various HTML attributes of paragraph element are displayed here. Tag P, start new paragraph. Tag P align equal to center, align the text in a center. P align equal to right, align the text to the right side. P align equal to left, align the text to the left side. P align equal to justify, align the text from both left and right margin. Both are equal. So these are the attributes of paragraph tag. Question number 7. What is the significance of BG color attributes of body tag? Answer is, the body BG color attribute is used to define a background color of a document. Body BG color attribute is used to define the background color of a document. Question number 8. What are the significance of BR tag? Answer. The HTML BR element BR tag produce a line break in a text. The BR tag insert a single line break. The BR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no in tag. BR tag is used to break the line. BR tag is used to break the line, and BR tag is an empty tag because only opening tag used, not a closing. So this BR tag is called empty tag. Question number 9. Which tags are used to apply the bold, underline and italic properties to the text? For underline, the tag is U. Tag U used for underline. For bold, it used B. Tag B is used for bold, and for italic, tag I. When you write tag under tag U, then your text is underlined. Use tag B for bold and use tag I for italic. You can better understand. When you write, suppose that you are write here B and write here some text and close B, because bold, italic, underline, all these tags are container tags. When you close, this text look like a bold sign. As it is, when you are use U means underline, then you write here text and close underline tags. Then these tags underline, and for when you use italic, then you use I and write here text and close I. So these are the italic tag. Hopefully you understand all questions of this chapter. If you face any problem, call my number 8840156170. Thank you.